Welcome to Fluent Flow Learning, where we teach English based on real life and strong foundations. If you've ever looked at a word like knife, climb, talk, or light and thought, why is that letter even there? You're not alone. Silent letters are one of the biggest frustrations for English learners. So today we're going to slow this down, make it clear, and show you the patterns that help English sound natural instead of confusing. Let's start by understanding why silent letters exist. English comes from several older languages. Over time, pronunciation changed, but spelling didn't always change with it. That's why some letters stayed in words even though we no longer pronounce them. Once you understand this, silent letters stop feeling random. They start to feel predictable. Now that you know why silent letters exist, let's look at the ones you'll see and hear most often. Silent B usually appears after M or before T. Common examples include climb, thumb, lamb, and debt. In all of these words, the B makes no sound at all. The word should end lightly, not with an extra sound. Many learners add the B because it's visible in the spelling, but native speakers never pronounce it. Now that you've seen how silent B works at the end of the words, let's move to a silent letter that appears right at the beginning. Silent K appears before N at the beginning of words. Examples include no, knee, knife, and knock. When you see KN, you don't prepare your mouth for a K sound. You immediately start with the N. Once you're comfortable skipping the K, there's one more silent letter that behaves in a similar way before another sound. Silent W often appears before R. Examples include right, wrong, wrist, and wrap. Even though the spelling starts with W, the sound starts with R. At this point, you've seen several silent letters that appear at the beginning or end of words. Here's a simple idea that ties all these together. Flow tip. When a word looks heavy, simplify it. Focus only on the first real sound your mouth should make. Now let's practice these ideas in short, real-life phrases. Listen first. Climb the stairs. Now you repeat. Listen first. Write your name. Now you repeat. Listen first. Knock on the door. Now you repeat. Good. Now that your ear and mouth are getting used to these patterns, let's move into silent letters that appear inside words. Silent GH appears in words like though, light, night, and bought. In modern English, GH makes no sound at all. There's one more silent letter inside words that causes a similar problem. Silent L appears in words like walk, talk, calm, and half. There is no L sound here. These words should feel smooth and relaxed. Now that you've seen both GH and L inside words, here's how to keep them natural. Flow tip. If your mouth feels tense, slow down. Silent letters rely on relaxed movement. Let's practice these patterns in everyday phrases. Listen first. Turn on the light. Now you repeat. Listen first. Walk with me. Now you repeat. Let's bring everything together. Today you learned silent B, silent K, silent W, silent GH, and silent L. These letters stay in the spelling, but not in the sound. Which letter surprised you the most today? Follow Fluent Flow Learning for more lessons that make English clear, natural, and built on strong foundations.